Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My salt and pepper shakers broke and I was pretty upset about them, but I upgraded and man, am I happy I did. These salt and pepper shakers are just fantastic. Getting past just the way that they look, they are absolutely beautiful, but they're also very useful and very durable, which I love. They also come with a year's warranty, which is nice because I have children and they use them. My son is learning to cook, and I know that if they drop and they break, which they haven't yet, that I know we can replace them. I love how easy they are to charge. It's got the charging port right under the lid there. You just slide it back. But honestly, I've had these for about a month and I have not had to charge them yet, so I love that. I love how much you can put in them. I was constantly filling up my other salt and pepper grinders and I was just so sick of doing that, but these hold a lot. They are very easy to refill. There's arrows on there to guide you. You simply unclick it, fill it, and then click it back together. The noise they make is very nice. It's not too loud and obnoxious, which is something that I really liked. It has 6 different grinding levels to put at your preference. I have it very fine, and you can see there what it looks like. My family and I chose to put salt and pepper in ours, but really you could put any spices that you'd like in there. And with the push of a button, you've got exactly what you need. So these salt and pepper shakers are more than I wanted them to be. They're so easy to use. They're durable. Even my kids can use them, and I absolutely love them. But that's just my point of view.